Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing cream cheese pound cake with coconut. It is absolutely delicious. It is light and moist and super flavorful. You guys are definitely going to love this one. All right, the ingredients will be in the description box. See here I have 3 sticks of butter. I am going to cream that with a hand mixer. You can definitely use a stand mixer, that is just fine. After about a minute, I go in with my cream cheese and I'll continue to mix that in. After about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to add my sugar just a little bit at a time and continue to mix that in. Then we're going in with our good vanilla extract, and I'm using both lemon and orange zest here, and I'm going to mix that in as well. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the butter becomes really nice and light and creamy. Make sure to stop the mixer and scoop the sides of the bowl down. Now we are going to add our eggs one at a time. All right, see, the batter looks absolutely amazing. It is so creamy. Then we are going to scoop the sides down. Always remember to scoop the sides down. Then to my flour, I'm going to add my baking powder, pinch of salt, and my cinnamon, and I'm going to sift that in a little bit at a time and mix. Then I'm going in with my sweetened coconut flakes. Yes guys, this is super amazing. You guys are definitely going to love this one. Alright, so I already greased my baking pan and I floured it. Now I'm going to add my cake batter in here. This looks awesome. And we are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 40 minutes. And this was absolutely delicious, guys. Look at this cake. It is so thick, so fluffy, so spongy. So now what I'm going to do is make my frosting. Into a clean bowl there, I just added some butter and some cream cheese, and we are going to add our sugar, and that is powdered sugar, and some good vanilla extract. All right, now you can adjust the sweetness here, but everything that I'm using here to make this icing is going to be in the description box. So I went ahead and toasted some of my sweetened coconut flakes that I'm going to use for garnish. This is absolutely amazing. The flakes added a texture. It is beautiful. I just can't wait for you guys to try this one. And look at this cake. Guys, to be honest, I could not wait for this to cool down. So forgive me, I just had to dig in. All right, look at that. I mean, who wants to wait? I had no patience. No patience to stay. So if you guys are new here, and you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and do so. I'm sure you guys can find something on this channel that you are going to fall in love with and that you guys are going to make. All right, let me sample this cake because it is calling my name. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, look at this cake, guys. Look how soft, how fluffy. Well, I just want to thank you guys for spending the time with me today. You guys do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye-bye.